Yo, so I know it's been a minute, just been real busy, hectic with life, whole lot of changes, expected, unexpected, things like that. But definitely been working behind the scenes, you know what I'm saying, working on the Camaro like I said I wanted to do. Basically got this thing a nice little makeover, you know what I'm saying. So what I got done was a stage 2 cam on here, and homeboy started up as soon as I pulled up, and it sounds so much better. If y'all recall, I didn't like how the exhaust sounded before. I went through some issues just with the transmission and the computer resetting because of some work I had to get done when I got the fuel pump replaced. It kind of threw everything off. So yeah, we'll walk through, let y'all know everything that we got done. He said the numbers look great, it drives great. So we're gonna get this thing checked out, and I can't wait to hit the road now. Yeah, I'm ready, you know? Alright y'all, I forgot. I don't know where I put my my stabilizer for my phone, my camera here. I gotta find this somewhere. But yeah, they hooked me up, got this thing sounding right, and they cleaned it for me, thankfully, because it was filthy. And it is hot as hell. So I'm ready to hop in it. But let me give y'all a little start so y'all can see what the hype is about. Yeah, I'm ready to hop in it now. You see what this thing look like on the road. Be back with y'all. Alright y'all, so right off the bat, this thing is vibrating like crazy. I gotta set my, what you call it? Come on now. Change all my information, which is cool. I could do it later, but yeah, I'm rocking. If you can't see, probably not, because the GoPro usually has like a really good stability. But be my first ride, I'm gonna just go down this little country road. I'm gonna hit the highway another day because there's traffic. I had to pick this up after work, came home, or actually I was working from home. But yeah, talk a little bit about it, or at least try to. So yeah, like I said, I got that's what I got right here. I got a Brian Tooley stage 2 cam put in here. Woo, okay. Yeah, it definitely feels a lot better. I need an alignment, damn. I need an alignment bad, it kind of ruins it. But yeah, first drive, like I said, I'm gonna be on this back road because it's a lot of traffic on the main road for some reason. It's like, they said it's an event, but I don't know what type of event they're talking about, so we gonna see. Yeah, like I said, stage 2 cam. Reason I wanted to do a cam, I've been wanting to do it for a few years now, honestly. It's just you know, something extra to add for power, and I felt like it was just the next step necessary, other than like a supercharger. Oof. Drives good. Drives real good. Has a really strong shift points too. Hopefully y'all can hear me okay. I need an alignment. I know I said that, but like, actually I needed one before I took it, so going over railroad tracks. Woo. Much better. But yeah, like it's not as ignorant as, like, say if I was to get it supercharged. People say, well, why didn't you just get it supercharged? I'm trying to keep it like I'm still going to be driving this thing a lot. And, you know, gas prices are atrocious. But I ain't been in this car in so long. I'm on this twisty road too, man. That's why I wanted to come back here, because it's like the only nice, I don't know if y'all can see, it's all green back here and it's twisted. So it's like, it's beautiful, man. And it's a perfect day to be out. Be some nice cars and bikes out. Traveling, you know, been on a few trips out of state since we've last seen each other, gone to see family, gone to see friends. So I've just been, you know, that's really just how I am, just busy, enjoying life, being out and about, you know. But anything car related, you know, of course I'm gonna keep y'all updated on that, so you ain't gotta worry about it. Blackwing is still good. Mods for that, I don't know. The most I want to do at this point is probably like some wheels, but it's kind of hard. Am I at the end of the road? Yeah. What was I saying? Oh, they got a barbecue. Let me hold a plate. Damn, this thing don't want to stop now. Okay, here's the straightaway I was talking about. I couldn't tell if that was 12 in front of me. And then this car had to turn. There's always somebody blocking. And maybe they saved me from something. That's how I look at it. Yeah, y'all, like I was saying, as far as the Blackwing, most I want to do is just some wheels. I want to put wheels on this one too, not to give too much away. Like obviously the cam was something I was withholding, but now that it's out, I definitely want to put some wheels on this. I had some picked out, but you know when it comes to wheels and stuff like that, there's so many different options that like I pick some today and then I see some wheels on another vehicle and I'm like, oh, I like how those look instead. So, but that won't be for like a little while, because I'll need new tires too, because I haven't gotten tires in a little while, like been a few years, so I need new tires as well. I don't think I want to go bigger. Like these are factory 20s. I think I'll just stick with 20s just for the ride comfort. I don't know how much more comfortable I can make it now that I'm going to be rocking at every stop I come to. But hey, yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like the video, share it with the homies, subscribe for more content. Like I said, I was gone for a minute, but you know, just busy. That's all that it is. But yeah, this thing is lurching. I stopped and it's still lurching. This is so crazy. It doesn't want to stop. I'm actually kind of tired. It's Friday and it's been a long week. Worked all week. Ran to go pick this up. Another Camaro. But I love the way it came out though. Like I said, I'm gonna hit the highway soon. I'm hungry right now. I want to get some food. So, but as always, I appreciate y'all for checking in, and until next time.